the Travis CI VCS proxy Perforce setup. All right, so you signed up, you've got this email. What now? We'll follow the instructions in the email. First, we'll press confirm my account. Okay, let's go back to the email and see what's next. Okay, we're going to press forgot your password. And we're going to enter our email address that we initially signed up with. Now we're going to look for a second email. There it is. And we're going to click change my password. And put our password in. All right, as you can see, your password has been changed successfully. Now, let's go to the Travis CI Beta app. Go to the first email, and you'll see here, Travis CI Beta. You'll want to click sign in, and particularly sign in with Travis VCS proxy. So we're going to sign in with our new password. All right, as you can see, it says you have to enable two-factor authentication before we get to work with the service. So let's enable that. And you'll see there's a QR code now. So let's scan that. Okay, I just scanned it. Now I'm going to put in my 6-digit code. We're going to verify. All right, and here's our 2FA authentication backup codes. Now, let's get to setting up Travis VCS proxy. All right, now we're in Assembler. Now, let's click repositories. Click create new repository. We have a space called Travis CI P4 and SVN demo space. And we'll call this P4 video. And make sure the repository type is Perforce. And we're going to create this empty repository. Let's click instructions. And let's click here. All right, now let's go into our Perforce environment variables. How you get to that is you want to type in vim and then type in p4 enviro. All right, so as you can see on assembler, it's giving us some variables to put in. So here's the port for our P4 port. So let's replace what we currently have in our environment variables. All right, like I said, we need to change some of these environment variables. So we see the port 32761. And we're going to right quit that. And just to make sure we're connected, we're going to do P4 info. All right, you want to run P4 trust since this is the first time connecting with this port. And you want to type yes. Now, go back to your environment variables. Everything looks good. All right, let's open up a text editor like Visual Studio Code. All right, great. Let's do new file. And let's name it the .traviscml. We're going to do dist focal language, Python, script, echo, hello, and install skip. Pretty simple YAML file. We're going to save. Okay, let's go back to our terminal. All right, let's set our depot. All right, this command here, p4 client /s depot /main. This is going to tell the client where to push to assembler. So let's try it. Let's log in. All right, looks like I'm logged in. Let's try that again. There you go. And now let's run p4 reconcile. All right, that's the .travis YAML we made in Visual Studio. And now let's push it up. And we'll give a commit message of testing. All right, let's go to the project source. And there you have it. There's the YAML file I made in Visual Studio. Now, let's go to the VCS proxy. Go to Perforce. And as you can see, the repo name's 21. So we're going to say the name is 21. Now, do our URL is going to be in your environment variables. Go to vim bio, and that will be the URL. So just copy and paste that. Perforce username. It will be your assembly username. And let's generate the token that it's asking for. So we're going to do p4 login -a-p. And look at the string of numbers. And we'll put that in server level ticket token. All right, this repository has been successfully added. Now you'll see TCI proxy listener token. Now we're going to go back to assembler, and we're going to click on Travis VCS proxy integration. And that webhook token will be seen on VCS proxy. Let's save that. Now let's go to the beta app. All right, we're here at the Travis CI beta app. Now let's click sync account. And you'll see test.org. And remember, 21 is what we've built on. So let's open VS Code. And let's make a change just to see if it auto triggers a build in Perforce. Let's do hello world test 2. We're going to save, overwrite, and go back to our terminal. And we're going to run p4 reconcile. And we're going to do P4 submit again. And let's see if we have anything building. Oh, all right. As you can see, it's triggered a Perforce build. And let's make sure it's the YAML file VS Studio. Yep, you can see echo hello world test 2, distribution focal, language Python. It is provisionally booting a virtual machine. And here we go. This is the job log, and you can get worker information, build system info. Okay. It says build passing now. All right. Well, there we have it. So from all the way to email to triggering a build in beta app. And there you have it. Hello World Test 2. And you have a passing build in Perforce using the Travis BCS proxy. Congratulations.